Hi everyone. Thank you all so much for your lovely messages of appreciation and kindness to some of the posts that I've been putting on all these nature posts, and it felt like today was maybe a good day to tell you a bit about this project that I've been concocting and hatching. Some of you will know already, but I am working on something with Cecile and a few other people called Axis Mundi, and I will add the website underneath. But basically, Axis Mundi is the idea of creating space in nature that will be an educational project towards more sustainable ways of living, and it will be an arts project where artists can meet and collaborate and fuse their various disciplines, and it's also very much a nature project, rewilding, reconnecting with the things that matter truly, which I think these times have shown us are certainly not um, the day jobs that we hold or some of the capitalistic lies that we've been made to believe. So, yes, that's my grand plan. And now I want to show you some news. I realize I have shown you news before, and I actually caught earlier a dragonfly larva. They're extraordinary things, very fierce looking. In fact, shortly before I caught it, I could see it, and it had caught a um, a tadpole, and it was virtually this larva was uh, holding on to this tadpole for its life, and it was getting ready to eat it. So that was quite an epic sight. But I wanted to show you a bit more of a close-up of news because quite a few of you were very impressed with them and hadn't seen them since you were very small people. So I hope this is going to focus. Do I need to get out of the frame? How do I get it to focus? Oh dear. What do I need to do? Ah, here we are. Is it going to do it? Sorry about that. Anyway, here she is. She's getting a little bit impatient with me. Is it a he or a she? The way to tell at this time of the year whether it's a he or a she is by the crest, which is a gentle crest appears on their back. I believe this might be a he because you might be able to see. This is terrible focusing. I'm so sorry, but you will be able to see a crest uh, just on the tail, especially. There we go. You can see just slightly raised above the tail, and the very spotted markings, which is the markings that they get at this time of the year. And you notice she just had a little burp and a little belch, and that's what they do. And if you just look under her chin, this is oops. This is where the breathing is happening beneath the chin. That's what she's doing right now. I'm sorry, it's slightly out of focus, but you got a glimpse, and I don't want to upset them for too long either. But I will just show you one more thing, and that's the cloaca, which is either the place where they will receive the sperm, or the place where the sperm will be ejected from. I'm sorry, I can't. I'm pretty sure it's a male, but I can't be 100%. But anyway, you will see just underneath it, just there, how swollen this is. Now this could either be a sperm bag getting ready to be ejected, or it could be a sperm bag having been taken in. Now that's it. Don't worry about her. I'm holding her with the most gentle touch, and she's fine. But I will now let her go back to her more natural environment. Here we go. So that was a little bit more about newts. And I'm sorry, this is a slightly longer video. And yeah, thanks for listening, guys. And I hope that in your hearts and in your minds, the things that truly matter are hatching and blooming, and in the months to come are going to grow into a much more fulfilling existence. And if yours was already extremely fulfilling, then an existence where we can share more with the people who need us at this time. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye. Bye, bye, bye.